Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can generate a random MAC address of your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Okay, so let's begin. We are on the IMEI info page, and in this bar we need to type the IMEI number of our Samsung. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you how you can do it, and below we also can see a quick instruction how we can do it on our own. Once we have typed our IMEI number, click on Check IMEI. Now, as you can see, our Galaxy Tab appeared and some information about it. Now let's scroll down a little until we find the basic checks. And now we are interested in MAC address generator. Simply click on that. It's completely for free, so don't worry. And now in here we need to first type our actual and true MAC address. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there's video when I'm showing you how to do it, and in here you can also manually click how to find the MAC address in your device, and you will have a list. Of course, we are interested on Android, and here you have all steps what you need to do. Okay, now type it and click on Generate Random MAC Address. Okay, it appeared. Now we need to scroll down, and in here we have 10 random MAC addresses that we can easily copy. Simply click on that icon, which is next to each number, and then it will be copied. But also you can copy all of them by clicking on this button, Copy All MACs. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.